Hello and welcome to today's meditation. Today's meditation, we will be focusing on Archangel Raphael, who's mostly known for healing, but tradition has that he's actually one of the funniest and easiest to communicate with archangels, and that he actually enjoys when people speak with him. So, not that the others don't, that all angels enjoy that we acknowledge them and accept them and communicate with them, but he's very lighthearted per tradition. So today we are going to, as always, say a prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. Go into a quiet place, lift our spirit, and sit with the healing, humorous energy of Raphael. And upon closing, we'll say a simple prayer to him and close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Let's take a deep breath and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and close your eyes. And invite your body to relax and let go. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us scan our bodies carefully and quickly. Notice if there's any tightness, any dis-ease, and just invite it to let go and relax, removing the blocks. Let us bring our attention now to the top of our head and our third eye, which is on our forehead between our eyebrows. These are the locations that the divine energy moves into our body. We're going to follow that divine energy through our body all the way down to our feet where it exits. As we follow it, we will feel it renewing and healing because we are inviting in the full energy of the angel Raphael, who is an extension of the divine, bringing us perfect healing and a light heart. As we feel the energy moving into our heads, feel ourselves coming, relaxing, releasing any blocks, moving into our throat, any tickling, any soreness being removed, blocks being removed. And as this beautiful divine energy from Archangel Raphael pours into our chest, our heart feels lighter, not taking things so seriously, flowing down to our solar plexus just above our belly buttons, to our dantian just below our belly button, to our root chakra just at the base of our spine, moving down to our feet and out. This beautiful divine healing energy is coming straight down through our body, nourishing it and healing it. We are now going to gather up our energy and step above our bodies and sit with this relaxing, light-hearted, angelic being, Raphael. So from our dantian, just below our belly button, feel the spirit stirring. Move it up to your solar plexus a few inches above your belly button and feel it stirring. Now bring it up to your heart and feel it stirring. Bring it up to your throat with the same power as all the other spots. Feel it flowing. Invite this energy to continue to move into the middle of your head. Arise, my spirit, and meet thy maker. Pull yourself up out of your head and sit comfortably in this perfectly green surroundings that Archangel Raphael is known for. Feel his healing energy. Feel his light-hearted humor, how he can let things go, and how he's offering this to you. This ability to let things go with a smile. Physical, mental, and spiritual healings. Let us sit here and absorb it in silence. Archangel Raphael, may your humor and light-heartedness light our path today and always to the divine light as we pull ourselves back into the present, down into our bodies, becoming aware. We close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you this evening on Empowerment Through Intuition on Facebook Live. You will not need to register for a webinar. Chris and I are going to try to wing it without the assistance of the webinar and just be able to answer the questions as they're coming across on the stream. It should be fun. It's all about twin souls and twin flames. There's a lot more to it than a lot of people think. See you then. If not, see you tomorrow, and have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.